How to fix muted video on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will learn how we can fix muted video on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to fix muted video on TikTok, let's just say that you are trying to open the TikTok application here, but then you're not being able to listen to a video or anything as such because maybe the video is muted. Now what you can try to do is just check if your volume is at full level, right? So you can just press the volume buttons over here. This is quite basic thing, but make sure that it is not muted, because if it is muted then you will not be able to listen. Now the other way this can actually basically happen is if you just try to switch the video, because sometimes one particular video could not have the audio, so you can just try to select another video here, and once you've done that you should be able to listen to the video. If none of the solutions are working for you, what I could recommend you do is long press the TikTok app icon, tap the I button to come to app info page, then just go to storage and cache, clear the cache files, and also make sure to clear the storage. Once you've done that, open up your Play Store and in the search box type in TikTok. Check if the TikTok app has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.